So yeah, I'm changing out the AC compressor line on this 2015 Buick Lacrosse V6 3.6 motor. This line was bad. It's bad, so I'm replacing it with this line, brand new line right here. So basically, take the front cap off. Took the front cap off. Took the front cap off. It's like 6 bolts. 6, 7 bolts. Little screws, nothing. Like a 10mm screw. Popped it off. Pull this off. It's on a little stud. It's a little stud. Pull that off. Pull it off the compressor and unbolted it here. Take it out. I'm gonna replace it with the new line.